Hello everyone. In this video, we'll dive into creating your first custom form step by step. Once you have access to the custom form, you choose the account where you want to create the form. You click on the new form and give it an assigned tag. Here, you're going to give a form name. These are some common mistakes we usually make. To avoid this, let's give it a form name related to the client tags. For example, if I'm working on a client tags, maybe a website, I can just say website, and I can give it a page name. Let's say page 1. And I give a description here, description. It automatically pulls all the custom values found in that sub account where you create the form. We have the custom value and input type, and you can decide to make it required or not. Give it a prefix or a description, and you can run the required button if you want it to be a required field. You can add the field again, the custom value, let's say contacts, text, default value, can say dental calendar name, and save the form. You've learned how to create your form and save it. In our next video, we are going to show you how to embed the form or share the links. Thank you for watching.